Look up. Above you, a silent ocean of light. Every star you see is a burning sun, a cosmic heartbeat pulsing through eternity. Some of those lights have been shining since before the Earth even existed. Some have already died, and you're only seeing their ghosts. The light you're looking at left its home millions, sometimes billions of years ago, crossing space and time just to reach your eyes. You're not just looking at stars, you're looking at the past. Welcome to the infinite. Tonight, we're not just stargazing, we're stepping into the furnace of creation itself. We'll drift through the birthplaces of stars, witness their lives unfold, and watch how they die. Every atom in your body, every breath you take, was once part of a star. It begins in darkness, in the vast silence between galaxies. Clouds of gas and dust stretch across light years. For millions of years they drift, cold, aimless, invisible. But something stirs. A whisper of gravity pulls particles together, tighter and tighter still. The more they fall, the hotter they become, until the pressure at the center ignites. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing more energy in a single second than 1 trillion nuclear bombs. A star is born. It blazes into existence, not with a roar, but with radiance. The darkness parts, and for the first time, light touches the void. All around it, smaller fragments catch fire too, until an entire cluster of newborn suns paints the nebula in color. Inside that glowing sphere, a delicate balance is struck. The pull of gravity tries to crush the star inward, while the push of nuclear fusion forces outward. For as long as those forces stay equal, the star lives in perfect harmony, a cosmic equilibrium. It breathes light, it sings in plasma, it dances in magnetic storms, and through it all, deep within, new elements are born. Every beat of a star's heart creates something new: helium, carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of everything you know. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the gold in your jewelry. All of it was forged in the heart of a dying star. But even cosmic giants have lifespans. A star's life depends on one thing above all else: its size. The bigger it is, the faster it burns. A massive blue giant might live only a few million years, a cosmic blink. A smaller, gentler red dwarf could outlast galaxies, glowing quietly for trillions of years. Our sun sits comfortably in between. It's been burning for 4.6 billion years, and it's roughly halfway through its life. For now, it's steady, calm, nurturing the only known life in the universe. But one day, even the sun will change. As its hydrogen runs out, the balance will break. Gravity will win for a moment, the core collapsing in on itself, until helium fusion reignites in a final, desperate blaze. The sun will swell, growing so vast it could swallow Mercury, Venus, and perhaps even Earth. It will become a red giant, painting the sky blood orange, consuming everything it once gave life to. And when that fuel is gone too, it will shed its outer layers, a beautiful glowing cloud drifting in the dark. At its center, only a small white ember will remain, a white dwarf, cooling slowly for billions of years, fading into silence. That is the destiny of our sun. And yet, through that death, the universe continues to live. For the most massive stars, the ending is far more violent. When they die in explosions so powerful they outshine entire galaxies. In their final seconds, their cores collapse inward faster than light can escape, then rebound with unimaginable force. We call this violent event a supernova. The universe doesn't rush. It doesn't worry about time the way we do. Stars are patient. They live, they burn, they die, and from their ashes, new ones are born again. It's a story of constant creation, destruction, and rebirth. It mirrors us, how we grow, collapse, rebuild, and keep shining. So the next time you step outside at night, take a moment, find a quiet spot away from the noise, look up and just breathe. That tiny flicker above you could be a star 1,000 times larger than our sun, or a remnant of one long gone. The light you see is a message sent across time and space, whispering, "You are not alone." In the grand silence of the cosmos, your life is fleeting, but not meaningless. You are made of the same light that fills the heavens. Every dream you chase, every person you love, every spark of kindness, it's all part of the same story the stars have been telling for billions of years. We come from the stars, and one day we'll return to them. Thank you for wandering among the stars with me tonight. If you felt something, wonder, calm, connection, let it stay with you. And if you'd like to journey further into the mysteries of the cosmos, black holes, distant worlds, the fabric of time, then subscribe and let's keep exploring together. Until next time, may your nights be quiet, your thoughts vast, and your dreams full of starlight.